Presenting the Samsung Galaxy M02s. This phone is available in 3 color variants: red, black and blue. The Samsung Galaxy M02s is available in 2 variants to choose from: 3GB RAM plus 32GB storage and 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage. The internal memory is expandable up to 1TB. It has dual SIM with dual standby option, so you can carry a single phone around instead of 2. The 6.5-inch PLS TFT LCD Infinity V-Cut display provides truly immersive viewing experience by maximized screen size. It's ideal for gaming, watching videos, multitasking, browsing and more. The phone has a triple rear camera setup with 13 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel depth and macro mode cameras. The phone also has a 5 megapixel front camera to suit your convenience. Powered by Android version 10 operating system with Qualcomm octa-core processor, this phone makes downloading, gaming as well as browsing very smooth. It also comes with 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery. Inside the box, you can find the Samsung Galaxy M02s smartphone, ejection pin, manual, data cable and travel adapter. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.